Let's say the price of gas increased to $4. What happens then?
The run-up in gasoline prices by itself would cost the American consumer about $200 billion annually. That doesn't include the effects on other prices like diesel, which affects food prices, and the package you get from Amazon at your doorstep will be, higher in cost because of the higher diesel prices. It doesn't account for the higher jet fuel prices and the impact that has on airline tickets. But just gasoline, that kind of gives you order of magnitude, a couple $100 billion. If you do the arithmetic per household, that would probably add about $1,000 to the typical household bill in a year. But that's not a big deal for folks that are doing well, the kind of in the top part of the income distribution. But if you're the lower parts of the distribution, that's real money, and you got to make some tough choices if that's the situation.
Yeah, and considering the fact that the affordability crisis is already top of mind, add this on top, it sounds like you don't think it's going to be hitting those prices over a year.
The way to approach this is through different scenarios. So I think the president is going to find a way to stand down if this continues for very much longer. One scenario is that things are spiraling out of his control. That's something we need to be worried about. But if he stands down in the next week or two, oil prices will start to come back in. We get back down to $60. Gasoline goes back down to $3 a gallon, and we go on, to the next thing that the president decides he wants to do.